Tracking conversion rates from visitors to students can seem overwhelming, but today we're breaking it down into simple steps. Whether you're running an online course or looking to optimize your educational platform, understanding this process is crucial for growth. Stick with me till the end, and I'll show you the most effective way to track these conversions, plus a free trial of our recommended software so you can start implementing right away. The first thing you need to do is identify what counts as a visitor and a student in your setup. A visitor is anyone who lands on your website, while a student is someone who actually signs up for a course or program. That's your conversion goal. Now, let's look at the tracking process. You'll need a way to track the journey from that first visit to the moment they become a student. One of the simplest methods is using Google Analytics. With Google Analytics, you can set up conversion goals by defining the action you want visitors to take, like clicking on a sign up button or landing on a thank you page after completing a course registration. Next, you'll need to set up conversion tracking for your sign up forms. Most platforms will allow you to tag the form success page. This is critical for tracking conversions accurately. If your form sends visitors to a thank you page after they submit, tag that page with a goal in Google Analytics and voila, you'll start seeing conversion data. Another effective tool is tracking pixels. These are small pieces of code you place on key pages like your course landing page and thank you page. Facebook, Pixel, and Google Ads. Pixel are two popular options, and these will give you direct insight into how well your ads are converting visitors into students. Now, you might be wondering, how can you make this process more accurate? Well, using advanced tracking software that integrates with your website and marketing tools will make this a lot smoother. This software can track every step of the visitor's journey, from the first touch point all the way to conversion, and give you a deeper understanding of your visitors' behaviors. I've tried a bunch of different tools for tracking conversion rates, and after thorough testing, I recommend this software for its ease of use and the in-depth insights it provides. Plus, if you want to follow along with the same tool I'm using in this video, I've included a link in the description for an exclusive free trial, just for you, my viewers. As we wrap up, here's the key takeaway. To track conversion rates from visitors to students, start by defining your goal, the action you want them to take. Set up tracking tools like Google Analytics, and leverage advanced software to track the full customer journey. Tracking these metrics is a game changer for improving your conversion strategy. To recap, make sure you're setting clear goals, using the right tools for tracking visitors' actions, and taking advantage of pixels or advanced tracking software to get the most accurate data. Don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial from the link below to start optimizing your conversion rates today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.